If your iPhone isn't charging properly, it might be because your port is filled with too much debris. First, power off your iPhone, then use a wooden toothpick. Never insert anything harder than a wooden toothpick in the charging port. This is so you don't damage the iPhone's delicate internals. Gently insert the toothpick into the port and lightly scrape it against the inside wall of the port. After using the toothpick for a while, give it a gentle blow to help anything you've loosened. Then try and charge your iPhone again. Hopefully, after a few cycles of cleaning, your phone will start to charge again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.